blessed day again. We have here brand new Fermata Evo natural wooden color. So bago tayo sa specs, kunting lookout muna tayo ng gitara natin. Let's go. So ito pala ay fresh na fresh talaga, guys. Fermata, shout out. Okay, let's go tayo sa spec. Okay, sa specs tayo, yung body pala na ginamit nito is mahogany. This is mahogany body, and then with flame maple veneer. So here we go. Kita naman, di ba? Fermata. Yung some variant nito have unique rising tops. And then punta tayo sa neck. Let's go. Yung neck niya, kitang-kita naman. Neck is roasted maple bolt on. Okay, let's go. Lagay natin rosewood, and some variants naman ito is roasted maple. Then naka-radius into 12 radius. Kitang-kita naman. And it is also 24 frets. Yun, 24 frets, pure stainless, rounded yung dulo niya. 24 frets. And then ito 24 frets, extra jumbo na pala ito, guys. Extra jumbo na pala yung kanyang frets. Stainless And then yung scale length po nito is 25.5 inches. Sa pickups muna tayo. Sa pickups is they use double humbuckers. All is humbuckers. And then humbuckers up, Alnico. Alnico naman to. Humbuckers, Alnico. And then yung kanyang volume, dalawa, volume and tone. Then ito, guys, is push and pull. Push lang pala. Push to click. I think booster siguro ito. Mamaya medyo mayroon tayong konting demo. Clean, then boost. And then mayroon po siyang split coil to control. Split coil nito. And then bridge is headless locking system. Ito, bridge locking system. Switch po ito is 3-way switch. 3-way switch po ito. Good, ang ganda. And then sa hardware naman tayo, they use black head string locking. Yun, kita mo natin ito. Yung kanyang angle talaga is very, very familiar and very mas malapit po siya sa Strandberg na design. Mostly kasi ng mga headless na iba is I don't know, iba yung disenyo, pero itong Fermata Evo is talagang very close to Strandberg na design. And then with also custom inlays, makita po natin. And then here we go, dito tayo sa key features. Headless design, ergonomics talaga ito, and compact. And then stainless fret talaga, durable, smooth. And then locking tuners and tuning, coil split. Again, bigay po natin lahat ng yung specs. Then yung back talaga niya, I don't know, siguro easy access ang tawag nito sa adjustment dito, yung apat na screw. Then yun, again, naka whammy bar po ito.